Hello everyone, welcome back to another amazing video. In this video, we are going to explore the power of ChatGPT and how we can import all the file names in a particular folder directly into Excel. We will be using a VBA code for that. It looks scary, but it's nothing. It's very easy to implement. And without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, I will write a prompt here that I will attach with the description of this video. So it says write a VBA code for Excel to import all the file names in a particular folder into Excel. Code should ask the option to select the folder. So whenever we run the code, it will ask you to select the folder and then it will automatically import all the file names in Excel. So this should work. Let's see what it writes. Now guys, I know that you don't know coding, so you don't even need to learn coding for this. It's very simple. I'll just show you in a minute. Now this is the code, right? What I will do is just copy the code here and just open Excel and open a blank workbook. Now I need a developer tab here. If you don't have the developer tab in the menu, what we can do is just go to any white space, right click here and click on customize the ribbon. Here you will see the developer tab and it will be unchecked. So just check this and click OK. Now I can see the developer tab. Now the only thing what you need to do is just go to the Visual Basic and you don't need anything. Just insert and click on module. Just paste the code right away and just get out of this. That's it. Now I have the code running in the macros. So let's run the macro and it says import file names. Yes. So when I run the macro, it will ask you to select the folder. So for example, this is the folder that I want to extract all the file names from. Just select it, click OK. And now you can see the magic. All the file names are now imported. Now sometimes what happens is you have the file names copied twice. So in that case, what you can do is just separate it from the numbers and from the extensions. So what we can do is just go to the data menu and click text to columns. Now I can separate it by dots. So for example, one dot is the identification that whenever the dot comes, after that comes the file name and then after that comes the extension. So it will automatically separate it. I will mention the special character in the delimited function. I will specify how do you want the fields to be separate in separate columns. So whenever a dot or a full stop comes, it should separate it into other columns. So for example, you can see the data preview here that numbers will remain separate and then after the dot is the file name and then after the dot is the extension name. So let's click finish and now we have the file names, the number and the extension separate. So if you don't want these columns, just delete that and now we have the pure numbers only. Now we can also remove the duplicates. For example, here we can see the duplicates right here, but that was with different extension. But now the extension is removed. Just click on remove duplicates from here and click OK. Now we can see now 9 duplicates values found and removed, 79 unique values remain. And by the way, guys, if you want to join this full course from basic to advanced of Microsoft Excel, you can check out the course link in the description. And that's it. This is how we can extract all the file names directly in Excel. So just try it by yourself and I will see you in the next one.